Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. I hope you are staying at home in this COVID situation. You are enjoying a decent life. I am going to tell about myself. I am Biplab Das, assistant teacher of Iskarn Garden High School, Ramna, Dhaka. I am taking English class of class 8. Thank you everyone for joining English class. Dear learners, you are watching an image of the father of the nation. This image is very familiar to all the students. Today, I have decided to take a class about the contribution of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. When we watch the picture, we can assume many movement of Bangladesh. He is one of the leader who is influenced the language movement into the mass movement before 1952. Dear learners, there is a image of language movement and Central Shohid Minar, Amar Bhasha, Bangla Bhasha. There is another image of Central Shohid Minar, which is situated near Dhaka Medical College Hospital. Some of the fighters of language movement has been sacrificed their life due to established the language in 1952. We know their name. After watching the different kinds of image, we can select the name of the headline of our topics. Today our topic lesson name is Bangabandhu and the language movement, which is found Unit 5, Lesson 1. Dear learners, this topic has been included newly in 2021. Dear learners, after reading the topics, you will be able to learn the read and understand text through silent reading, action answering question, right answer to question, listen to information, infer meaning from context. There is a image of the nation of the father. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is bring out a procession against the Pakistani army to establish Bangla as our mother language. There is another image. In this image, our dearest leader arranged different types of people how to establish Bangla as our mother language. This is the image, which is the Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He declared Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan. In this moment, our greatest leader, the father of the nation, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, protest against his speech and trying to establish Bangla as our mother tongue. He called upon all the people of Bangladesh In his calling, most of the students gather to protest against this type of speech. There is very familiar picture of language movement. The name of the martyrs are Rafiq Salam Barkot Jabbar. They have great contribution for the mother language. They have sacrificed their life due to the language. Dear learner, this is the English for Today book for class 8. In this image, the name of the image is Bangabandhu and the language movement. In this image was taken newly. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the few student leaders who played a significant role in turning the language movement into a mass movement. As a student leader, he was the central figure in organizing mass gatherings, rallies, and strike for raising awareness against the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan. The language movement started when the Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu and only Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan on 19 March 1948 at the Racecourse Maidan while addressing a public gathering. He again uttered the same on 24 March 1948 at the University of Dhaka. During his convocation speech, the students instantly protested against this announcement vehemently. It was the time when young Mujib started organizing the students in front of a Muslim league in East Pakistan. He was proud of his Bengali identity and very active to initiate a strike and protest against the language policy of Pakistan government. Later, then the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khaja Nazimuddin, echoed the statement of Mr. Jinnah on 26 March 1952. Mujib was in prison during this time due to political activism and was admitted to Dhaka Medical College under police custody. However, he stayed in constant touch with other leaders directly engaged in the government to make Bangla state language. His directions from prison led to government to a success. You have to understand the meaning of the lesson. This lesson is very significant for the language movement. It is our national identity, which is led by the father of the nation, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Dear learners, there are some of the words. Movement means, movement bolte amra bujhi andolon, revolution, agitation, stirring. Language movement turn into mass movement. Discriminatory means boishomyo, biased, discriminating, discriminative. In this image, there is a scale. One is a scale is down, another scale is up. It is an example of discrimination. We should avoid discriminatory action. Emergence means joruri obostha, rise, uprising, originating. Some of the people are very excited in emergence situation. Identity means introduction, individuality, oneness. Purichoy. He was proud of his Bengali identity. I have given you homework. There are some questions in your homework. After reading the topics, you will able to complete the tasks. Where was Sheikh Mujibur Rahman during the language movement in 1952? Number 2, why do you think Mujib struggled for establishing Bengali as the state language? কেন তুমি চিন্তা করবে বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান কেন সে লড়াই করেছিল বাংলাকে স্থাপিত করার জন্য মাতৃভাষা হিসেবে? Number 3, what happened on 21 February in 1952? 1952 সালের 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারিতে কি ঘটেছিল? I hope you will able to answer the question and share in our group. Dear learners, thank you again for joining on online class. If you like my class, you will subscribe this channel, and like and comments will be made by you. Thank you again.